Well, good morning. Here we are in Frenchburg, Kentucky. No, Thanksgiving Day, right, Big?
Yeah.
November 26, 2020. On Thanksgiving Day, it's 5:15 in the morning. Going to try to butcher one or two hogs today. My mother-in-law told me she'd be here by 5 a.m. to start the fire. Well, I got here at 5:12, and you can see how far the fire is going. So she's been here way before 5. So plan is to butcher two hogs today. We got the table set up. My father-in-law cut 2 trees. We're going to do the male first. Got a female and a male, and I think we're going to do the male first. We got our working table with an old tobacco wagon. The hogs, they're still sleeping. And this is a tradition that is probably not many people do anymore. The day after Thanksgiving or the day of Thanksgiving, butcher hogs. So as we go along, I've only done it once or twice. And we go along, we're going to show you how we do it. We got the fire going to scald the water. Got to get that water boiling real good and boiling before we even start anything, because that's what takes the longest. And we got to get the tractor over here with the loader. That's another thing. How we going to get we're going to have to move that wagon to get the tractor in there. That's Big Mom. Big Mom, she's the chief. She's in charge today. She's in charge of, she tells us exactly what's going on. You got your salt and sugar ready?
Yep.
Had it for months. She said, had it next in the living room so the condensation don't get it. And got the meat house cleaned up.
Yep.
Got the meat house cleaned up and everything. So we're gonna try to record this step by step. Like I said, this is an old dying tradition anymore. Look at here, this is how she starts a fire. Corn cobs with kerosene, right? Diesel. Corn cobs with diesel. If you are stranded, corn cobs and pine needles and pine cones, that's the best thing to do to start a fire. Daddy boy must have worked on this.
He did. He
Yeah.
part of it down so he could get in and out.
Yeah, with a wagon. Yeah. 10-4, hey. So we're going to cut off for now, and when it comes daylight, we start again. So we're almost done with one side, just the belly part.
Yeah.
We have to double up the wool blanket to put the hair out. And Big Mom's got the knife. And so you hold the knife with 2 hands and pull. Try to pull towards where the hair is laying, right?
Yeah.
Towards where the hair is laying. And there's Hunter. What's that?
Yeah.
What's that brand of knives you got, Hunter?
Got the Outdoor Edge Jagger pack.
Outdoor Edge, buddy. Outdoor Edge doing
Mine's
the job.
old hickory.
Hickory handle.
Old hickory.
Mine, right here, we got
Sure
you.
ain't doing
Mine knife is built by Bill Estes Cobalt. I'm not sure of the steel, but Bill Estes from Estill County. Last time I used this knife was in northern Saskatchewan
My tip's sharper than anything.
with a bear.
Who you talking to?
Oh,
He's making a video.
making a video, Daddy boy. And Daddy boy is pulling hair and scraping.
For this other little pig. Mom. What, honey? You won't need to be doing that. Well, who do you think's always done this,
Honey.
dear? Somebody else do it this year. I love it. Okay, I gotta get to the house. I got my turkey.
Happy Thanksgiving, Wendy.
Happy Thanksgiving.
There's my
honey.
beautiful wife. That's my, she's the rock right there. That's the rock, my beautiful wife.
I love you.
Love you too, honey.
Come about 30 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you come, bring me some coffee.
Honey,
That
I've got
sounds
all kinds
good.
of coffee. I got it already at the house.
Coffee, we need
Oh, wait, I
coffee.
mean, it's in the house. Or whatever.
Here comes Daddy boy.
We got food at my house.
Okay.
Bring everything up here. Everyone's staying at my house.
All right.
Oh, Lord.
Here comes Daddy boy with the rest of the meat.
Oh, it's close.
Yeah. Go that way. Go that. Woo! Whoa. Archie, there's Archie. I love you, Archie. You're a good boy, ain't you? Put on 4-wheel drive. Thanksgiving Day 2020, boys. Love it.
I'll have to pull that back if that offer.
We'll pull it back by hand. Here's the end of the day, 4:38. But we got most of it done around 11:50 this morning. But Big Mom has already been out here, and she has put the sugar cure. Them are the hams right here, and these are the shoulders, and this is a bacon without skin. This is bacon with the skin. I'm not sure what that is. Probably tenderloin. I know that ain't tenderloin. Not sure what that is. Where's the ribs at? Oh, the ribs probably has already been cut up. Them are the hogs, and or there's the skin, and this here is the liver. I ain't eating no. That's big old tenderloin. Look at that. And ribs. Yep, Big Mom's already. Now this process is gonna take several days, little by little, coming over here and trimming and taking care of things. There's some more in there. So I post videos as we go along, but I'm post this for today. Hey, I'm hoping that it goes through. I'm not sure what the regulations are on this video, but I appreciate you guys looking. Hey, follow us and see how our lifestyle is, and hit that subscribe button and that like button. I appreciate it. Happy Thanksgiving. What we doing now? Yeah, buddy, that's Hunter. He done all the gutting. Done a great job cleaning it.
TV personality on there.
Yes, sir.
You know, I'm
Done a great job.
run these hogs. I can get a little bit more on him. Okay. Hair trimming.
Starting the inside over here. See it? Where his hand is?
Oh, sorry, Hunter. Oh, that's all right. I got out of there just in time.
Yeah. Gotta clean it up and get some more.
Hey, T, I need that knife you got.
hair.
just go right ahead and grab her there. Here, let me get the hook down for her. Come straight out. Look at there. I see what you're saying. All right, boys.
Okey
What a
doke.
blade
Yeah.
right there.
Brand new one.
Oh, it's Ollie, guys. He needs a big long blade.
Oh, it's new though, so that's half the battle for Dale.
Come on, Granny.
Yeah, Granny's coming. Just takes me a little while some days.
We need to cut this bone here to lay him spread him out
The
here.
axe is laying right here, Hector.
Where you want me to?
I want you to hit it right there. Don't splinter it. You whack it.
Look at that guard.
Hit him again there.
Same spot.
If you can, pretty close to that. Yep. Right, now look, a little bit right here. Spread that apart, that's it. Where's buttons are going?
There you go.
Okay.
Now,
Is it poop? Okay.
You the same up front?
Same thing up
yeah,
front, gotta
got
spread
the
him apart.
same thing up here.
Yeah.
Get that.
Where at, Big Mom? Right here?
Right
Yeah,
there.
Follow
right.
it always.
Yeah, all the way through there. Just,
What you eating?
we're watching. You're good. That
Hard.
axe. I didn't even have a good file. I just had to work.
There you go. Hit him right here one time, Hector, right there.
Right.
Work it up to the ribs.
There you go. Again,
Same spot?
yeah,
Or up here?
up a little more, just not easy.
Yeah, there you go. Now, cut all that in two there.
We got a bone right here to cut.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
There we going.
Get us where we want to go, I guess.
I think you need a sharper knife, Sam.
Yeah, well, sure. I don't know if it's sharp.
All right, go ahead.
All right, Hector.
What I do?
Okay, you gotta cut each rib bone like I was telling you, on both sides. But don't cut
With
through
a
into,
saw?
well, I don't
Oh,
know.
with
Yes, the saw. Saw right down through here and right through here on this side of it.
See, his back's been injured, look
Yeah.
at
Yeah, he'd be straight
where?
otherwise.
right here,
Oh,
cause your tenderloin's underneath there.
That's right.
you gotta go just enough to catch
Just-
the rib and that's
Just
it.
enough for the
Hold
rib.
him up, Bert.
Yeah,
Get that
Thank you, Lord. We're talking about right here. We cut the bones and split it, and we gotta go on each side, right through there, because the tenderloin is on the other side. Good job.
just barely